right, good morning. Today is Friday, the 4th of October. And the first chart I want to look at today is the U.S. Treasury Bonds, a 30-year Treasury Bond futures contract. Talked about this one yesterday. Look at how this is contracting. Big time contraction up here at the highs and lows. Again, today looks like we're going to have that inside pattern, right? The high is lower than the prior bar's high and the low higher than the prior bar's low, which makes it even more powerful if we get that breakout. So if you take a look at this chart, excuse me, yesterday matched the prior day's high. Look at that, 133 and 29 seconds, right? Wasn't able to take that out, closed mid-range. Today, we're trading in between. So I'm looking for this break, and I'd be more prone to sell this market on a break on Monday if today is unable to take out the high or the low of yesterday, Thursday. If we're able to remain within yesterday's range, then on Monday I will be looking for a breakout down through the lows. All right, down through the lows, looking for at least a retest of this 132 and 30 seconds. Okay, so I'm really watching the 30-year bond futures right here. Okay. Another one I want to take a look at, if you recall, a couple days ago, we were looking at the Forex currency pairs. This is a real strong market. The British pound US dollar had a nice run up to the upside here. Market's finally pulling back. We're getting a sell-off today. We have hit that mid-band, and we've penetrated down through it. So my sweet spot would be right in here, right there, about 1.60. Okay, we're looking to go short. We're looking to buy this market, looking for that bounce in that area. So I'm keeping an eye on that, and as you can see, it is in my watch list here. Two other markets I want to look at. We're going to look at Mastercard and Visa. Okay, V for Visa and MA for Mastercard. Again, these are daily charts, looking for swing trades. Let's first start off with Mastercard, MA. As you can see, the trend is up, took out the prior high. Market's really strong here, okay? We have finally pulled back between the mid and lower band. And it looks like today, again, it's a little early in the day, so it's a little too early to say, but it looks like today is going to have an inside bar, right? The high lower than the prior bar's high, and the low higher than the prior bar's low. Okay, so if we close today, and it is in fact an inside pattern, I would be looking to buy this market on Monday up through the high of today. So I'm going to keep this on my watch list. Now look at, if today's high remains intact at 673.37, I'd be looking to buy it at 673.57, 20 cents above the high. Now look at the high, is 695. That's a little less than 23 points to get back to this high. So we've got plenty of large enough profit objective to the upside to consider this trade. Now let's take a look at Visa, right? Both credit cards, so very similar chart patterns, although Mastercard looks even stronger than Visa. Let's take a look at Visa real quick. Sure, Visa's strong, but Visa hasn't really rallied like Mastercard, right? We've taken out this high, but again, it doesn't look like Mastercard. Okay, again, we're creating an inside pattern here, right? The low is higher than the prior bar's low. The high is lower than the prior bar's high. So again, if today is able to close and we get that inside pattern, I'd be looking to buy it up through the high of today's high. Now, granted, they're pretty similar, right? They're credit cards. They're in the same space. So if I had to choose, I would choose Mastercard over Visa because there's more of a movement when the market takes out the high. There's more movement to get to the highest high. So I would choose Mastercard. There's 20 points. But on the other side, the other side of the coin here is Mastercard here is $672, whereas Visa is only $190. Now that's expensive. Now, could you play options on this? You certainly could. So that's up to you. A lot less expensive, right? So again, what we talked about today is the British pound US dollar. Need to see a little bigger pullback before I'd be looking to take a trade here. Bonds really consolidating. They're gonna break out one way or the other soon. And then there's two to choose from on the stocks, right? Mastercard, MA, and Visa. So I'll revisit this on Monday. Have a profitable day and a great weekend. I'll be back with you on Monday. Bye for now.